Hi. Going to talk about 2018-2019 handwriting choices for kindergarten, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, because I'm doing handwriting without tears again, and they actually came out with like a transitioning from preschool or pre-K to kindergarten, which is essentially kind of where we're at. Um, so it's called Kickstart Kindergarten, and it's just very similar to the one that we did before, the green one, Get Ready for School or whatever it was, but a little different. And this year I actually went ahead and purchased the guide because I wanted all of the extra activities that they give you and some ideas. So I went ahead and purchased it this year. And I think obviously you could definitely get away without purchasing it because I did it before. But I don't know, I kind of like the extra ideas and uh, the ideas of how, like, what do you call it? Like letter poems that show you exactly how to write it, and so that way they can remember by saying the little rhyme or poem. That was the reason. I ordered extra double lined paper, so I don't know if you can see. That's the kind of paper that they use. I ordered that as well as the gray block paper, so that way we've got extra practice. Now this is from Get Set for School, and I actually think I found this on eBay, and it's actually for pre-K. It was so cheap, and I thought, well, I'll grab that and see if we can use it because it brings in some, like, talking about what sentences are and that type of thing, and I thought we needed to do that. And book parts, I mean, I've talked about the title page and that there's an illustrator and that type of thing, but this goes into even more of that and gives all sorts of ideas. And I'm not going to use the whole book, but I am going to use quite a bit of the book. Just for fun as well, because it teaches about all sorts of things, like rhyming and that type of thing, and we already do that, but I don't know. It has just some interesting and fun activities, and that's why I'm going to use it. I'm also going to tell you, I guess I should have said that at the beginning, our music, which I have had this for 2 years now, and I think I'm going to finally use it. It's actually for young children, so it's probably for preschool age, but it's 101 rhythm instrument activities for young children, and we're only going to be doing music one time a week, so we're actually not even going to make it very far into this book. Most of it is going to be with rhythm sticks, which I've had, and then only a few of them go into shakers, and then that'll be the end of our year. I know it has like jingle bells and sand blocks and tambourines and like percussion instruments, but we're only going to be doing the rhythm sticks and a little bit of the shakers. Oh, I forgot to show you these. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and we've used them. Obviously, this one's not very clean. Rather than purchasing the ones from Handwriting Without Tears, I think I got these for last year when I started the green one. Now, this is my technology binder. I actually purchased a technology curriculum. I was going to see if I could actually find who this is. Not happening, apparently. I purchased this from teacherspayteachers.com, and it's just called Kindergarten Technology. I think it's like Brittany Washburn or something like that. I don't know. But this is like the scope and sequence, if you can see that. And so it's just teaching them how to use a computer. The mouse, the arrow keys, the typing, internet safety, just all of that kind of stuff that's kind of important. At least I think it's important. I know we use a lot of like tablets and that type of thing, but I still feel computer skills are very important, even though I know I did not learn the computer in kindergarten, but we all know everything has to happen earlier nowadays. So, anyway, this is just kind of an easy approach. It's not hard. It's not, you will die if you don't do this right. Simple, easy, not a big deal. And that is all I'm going to show you for now. So, that's all, and I will see you guys later.